You're at home in a very surprising move. Lori Vallow Daybell says she intends to rest her case. It came on day 7 of her murder conspiracy trial, where she's accused of scheming with her brother to kill her former husband. You are watching 12 News today in AZ. Thanks for joining us. I'm Emma Jade.
And I'm Justin Pizzera. 12 News journalist Jade Cunningham. She joins us right now live from outside the courthouse with more on what is expected today. This is obviously could be ending a lot sooner than we thought.
Good morning. Yeah, so this trial could definitely end sooner than we originally thought, and it really was a surprising move what was said yesterday, and it came after the state told the judge that they were going to rest their case, and then the judge asked Vallow Daybell if she was going to present evidence through witness or personal testimony, and she said no, that the defense will rest. This means she will not testify on her behalf, but she could change her mind. In fact, she has until Monday to do so, and that's because the jury wasn't in the room when she said it. Vallow Daybell has worked really hard to try and get her own witnesses to testify during this trial. She has gotten subpoenas on a few people, so we will need to see how this all plays out. Yesterday, though, a big day of testimony. The jury was shown a variety of text messages and conversations, including romantic ones between Lori and her then boyfriend, Chad Daybell, ones where she was talking about how she wasn't going to get her husband's life insurance policy that she thought she was going to get. Also messages between Lori and her brother talking about how she thought her husband was possessed. Jurors also heard from the lead detective, Vallow Daybell, pressing him about the investigation and if certain evidence had enough testing and why testing wasn't done on other evidence. So again, a big day yesterday. Today will mainly be housekeeping. The judge will go over jury instruction. Also, they'll go over any motions put forth from either side. And if Vallow Daybell does rest her case, then closing arguments are set to begin Monday. Reporting live, Jay Cunningham, 12 News, today in AZ.
All right, thanks, Jade, for that. And just a note, on 12 Plus coming up in about an hour, we're going to have an attorney talking about this trial, kind of giving us some insight, because this has been very interesting, just kind of the ins and outs of this case, and especially now it ending a lot sooner than we did expect.
Unlike anything we've ever seen. So don't forget, you can also watch the entire trial exclusively on 12 Plus on your Apple TV, Fire, your Roku devices. 12 Plus is also where you will see the closing statements by the prosecution and Lori Vallow Daybell herself. That could happen as early as Monday morning. Again, this is exclusively on 12 Plus, so make sure that you download 12 Plus ahead of Monday's closing statements. Download it on your Apple TV, Fire, or Roku, and you can watch for free.